Ready to turn Excel into a smart business machine? I'm Yura Marias, and this is Smart Sheet Studio, where we don't just use spreadsheets, we build powerful VBA systems that work for you. Today, I'm introducing the school management system in Excel, a tool designed to automate, simplify, and supercharge your workflow. Let's dive in and make Excel do the heavy lifting. So basically, when you open the system, it asks you to log in, and we want to log in as Hannah Marias. So we enter the information, and we want to, the password is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Enter the password, we log in. And when you log in, this is what it appears. It tells you welcome Hannah. And this is the system version 2.0. We want to go to student management. So automatically the ID number is generated in the student management, and you want to enter the information in, and you can upload your photo, you can add, update, and delete student. So if you double click, you see this is student 1, and this is the information. You can delete this student, and you can add new student. If you try to add with the same ID number, it tells you no, the ID already exists. So each student will have a unique ID number. You want to go to the teacher management, you want to enter the information in, the basic information, you want to enter all of the information in. You can update picture, you save new teacher, and you update the teacher, and you can also delete. So if you double click, the teacher will appear. Details of the teacher will appear. You can upload the photo, you can enter the basic information of that teacher. So basically, the grades management is not active to this user because this user doesn't have the right to go to the attendance management. He enter all of the information is the general report, the mark attendance. Then we want to go to the fee management. The fee management, you also enter the basic information, the general report, you save the fee. Then the report management, these are reports that we can generate student, teacher, attendance, fees, and the events. You want to know the event that are pending to do follow up. Now, the user is not activated. We want to go to the event management. You enter the event information, and you want to see who is assigned to do follow up. Event status, is it pending? You want to know that, and you want to save. Then the create the user and the admin is not activated for this user, so we want to log out and log in as Yura Marias. Password is 1, 2, 3, and 4. We want to log in. Now Yura has access only to the user management. When you open that, you want to double click on a user, and the information will appear to be able to update. And you also want to be able to add. You can add new user, you can update, and you can delete. And you have to make sure that the user is active. If that user is not active, they will have access to the system. So this is where you manage your user, and these are the modules that the user have access to. You want to go to the admin section. So this is the admin section, the school name. You want to enter your own school name that will appear on your report cards. Now the school tab line, this is it, where you see year, and we have the year, the image, and this year will also appear on the report card. You want to select your logo and you want to save. Now, the grade management is also not activated for this user, so we want to go to user management and then change this from registrar to instructor, and you see the grade is activated for this user, so we want to update. We'll update successful. We want to close, and we want to now log in as Hannah Marias. Password remains the same, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we want to log in. Now you see the grade and the attendance is activated for this user. You go to the grade management, open the grade management. You want to enter the information to be able to submit grade. You enter all of the information to be able to submit grade. Enter the information, and you can add the student grade to the system. And basically, these are the periods, and you want to add the student grade, and you can also print report card. If you go to print report card, want to print a report card for Hannah Marias, and you say print report card, when you do that, the report card opens for you to manually print. Now automatically is calculated. You see the logo that you add there, and you see the student name, the class of the student, and also the student ID, and the year you put in always appears here, and automatically the report card is generated, is calculated and generated. So basically this is the report card that you have, and it's done auto. Now this is the report card session, and you want to update, you can also update the system, because every time we bring in new features, you click on update, and it checks for update. It tells you that you are using the current version of the system. So if we have 2.1 automatically will be updated in your system. So basically this is there to update your system. You don't have to download new file. All you do, you just change the system, update your system, and when you click outside, automatically the forms appear. If you log out and then you try to cancel the log, all of the modules will be disabled, because now you are logged in as guest user. So you cannot do anything except you log in. So this is it, basically for our system. This is it basically for the system, and we want to say thanks for tuning in. You have just explored the Smartsheet Studios, where Excels get smarter every day. So to download this system, all you need to do is just to click in the video description below to be able to download the system, and make sure to like, subscribe, and comment for more VBA tools to level up your workflow. See you in the next video. Thanks.